Robo Oder helps you book profits at your specified target price and limit losses. Orders placed via Robo orders expire at the end of the trading session and cannot be carried forward. This feature allows you to place 2 additional orders along with the main order. Let's say you want to buy shares of Coal India. First, select the order type. Selecting limit allows you to enter desired buying price, while selecting market will execute at the current price. Once you select limit, enter the price and quantity. These are the details for your main order. In the target order field, enter the target price at which you want to sell. The target price has to be as per the range mentioned below. To limit your losses in case of an adverse movement of price, use the stop loss order. Enter stop loss trigger price as per the range mentioned. Robo Order offers another optional feature, trailing stop loss, in which stop loss price is adjusted as per jump in LTP. If you enter 5 in LTP and 1 in stop loss jump price, then for every 5 rupees increase in LTP, stop loss jump price increases by 1 rupee. This minimizes risk and maximizes profit opportunity. Click Submit to place your order. You can either confirm your order or modify it from the order preview screen. Once your main order gets executed, the other 2 additional orders change to pending state. You may also modify the pending profit and stop loss order from the order status screen. Now, square off your position at market price by clicking on Exit. You can check the real-time MTM gain and loss of your executed order by clicking the Position tab. If either the target or stop loss order gets executed, the other pending order is cancelled automatically.